If you're cruising in your Model Y but the back seat's too quiet, don't worry. Rear speakers not working is a common hiccup. Let's fix it together, step by step. First, let's check the obvious. Go into your Tesla's audio settings. Make sure the fader isn't set all the way to the front. Sometimes, it's just a simple balance issue. Next, try a reboot. Hold down both scroll wheels on your steering wheel until the screen goes black. Wait for the Tesla logo to pop back up. This resets the system and often fixes software glitches. Still nothing. Make sure your car's audio isn't connected to Bluetooth headphones or devices. Sometimes sound gets rerouted and speakers stay quiet. Another thing to check. Is your car running the latest software? Go to Software in your menu and hit Check for Updates. Updates often fix bugs, including sound issues. If you've tried all these and your rear speakers are still out, it could be a hardware problem. Don't stress. Just book a service appointment through the Tesla app. Technicians can diagnose and repair it quickly. And that's it. With a few quick checks, your Model Y's rear speakers should be booming again. Safe and happy driving.